So guys, I'm going to dish my porridge now in my dish. Look at that. So lovely. Wow. So lovely, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a plantain oats porridge. So I'm using green plantain. Yes, so I have half of green plantain here cut up that was frozen. I have my oats and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar to taste, depends on your taste bud. I have some soy almond milk that I will be using. I have my vanilla extract. I have nutmeg and cinnamon. I also have my cinnamon leaf. You can choose to use a stick if you have the stick. So my pot is on the stove, so I'm gonna add this to the water. Add roughly quarter pot of water. I'm gonna add that there, and I have my bullet that I'm going to use to blend up my plantain and my oats. So I'm gonna add these to the blender now. So guys, I also have my coconut milk that I will be using. We'll be using roughly 1 cup of oats. So here it is. I'm gonna add the water to it and then blend. Here guys, I've added roughly 1.5 cups of water to my mixture, and I'm going to just blend it. You can use a bullet or you can use a blender. Alright. So it's now blend. Some persons like it to blend it smooth till they're not seeing any grain or anything. Some people prefer it with a bits of the plantain in it, but this one is smooth, so you can blend it according to how you like it. Alright, so it's here, pot is on the stove, just waiting for it to boil up to add the mixture. Okay guys, I'm gonna add 1/4 tablespoon of salt to the water. Alright, I'm gonna allow it to boil before adding my liquid to it. Alright, so guys, the pot is now ready, so I'm gonna add my mixture to it. So I'll add in the mixture to it. Stir constantly. Divide it and stir constant, because we don't want the mixture to be lumpy. We want a smooth porridge. Okay, right. So yes guys, stirring guys. constantly stir it.
Guys, you can add some more water if the porridge is too thick.
So guys, now it's time to add my coconut milk. I use roughly half of the pack. So I'm gonna add water to this and how rich that is. Yes.
Constantly stirring the porridge, guys. We want it to stay smooth.
Depends on how you like your porridge. If you like it thick, you leave it thick. If you like it thin, add more liquid to it. I'm now adding the nutmeg and the cinnamon. Constantly stirring, guys, because porridge, the art of porridge, making a porridge, is that you don't want it to be lumpy, so you have to keep stirring it for it to stay smooth. All right, so yes. Right, so I'm gonna cover this and leave it to cook on its own on a low flame. All right, guys, so porridge looks so nice already, and it's not done. I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, roughly a tablespoon. Yes. So it's like cooking your plantain or making your oats. It takes less than 20 minutes to cook. Alright, guys. That, guys. So at this time, I'm gonna be dissolving the almond milk and add it to my porridge. Alright. So this is it, guys. Rich almond milk. You can use condensed milk, any milk you want to use, cow's milk, evaporated milk, any one of the milk that you prefer. All right. It's now rich. So I'm gonna cover back this a bit and let it just cook a little with the milk, and then I'm ready to sweeten. Alright. So guys, if you are watching your milk intake, you can also use the real coconut milk instead of the powdered milk. Alright. So I'm gonna get ready to sweeten with my sugar. Alright. Yes, guys, I'm ready to sweeten my porridge. So I have my regular sugar. You can choose to use whatever sweetener you prefer. Okay. If you notice, my fire is still on. When your porridge is on the fire and you're sweetening it, it takes less sugar. Alright? Porridge is all done, so I can turn off the stove now and then dish my porridge. Okay? So guys, I'm going to dish my porridge now. My dish, look at that, so lovely. Wow, so lovely, guys. So all done. My porridge is now all done and ready. Yes, guys, my porridge is now ready, all done. Look at it, my plantain oats porridge. You can have it with the old-fashioned way with some bread. Normally I love to break up the bread in my porridge. Yes, it's nice. Or you can also have it with some crackers, whatever you choose to have it with. Okay guys, look at it. Yes guys, go ahead and try this breakfast idea, my plantain oats porridge. Easy to make, takes less than half an hour, and you have a full meal ready to go. Ready for the kids to go to school, ready for you to go to work. No worries. Alright? Go ahead and try it guys. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll be aware or be the first one to know when I upload a new video. Right guys? So click that notification bell and follow me on all social. Alright? Until next time, see you. Bye.